Hi, Alyssa Essman, Weed Science Research Associate and PhD student at Ohio State. Today we're at the OARDC Western Agricultural Research Station in South Charleston, Ohio, and I'll be talking about some of the cover crop trials we have going on for weed suppression. So right now we're in our plant green study where we're evaluating different termination systems of a cereal rye cover crop for the purposes of weed control. In this study we have 3 different rates of a cereal rye cover crop, 3 different termination systems, and 2 levels of a spring residual herbicide. Our 3 different termination systems are terminating the rye 7 days before plant of the soybean crop, at plant, or 21 days after plant. So this is the second run of the study, and last year we saw differences in our grass population based on termination system. So the rye cover crop treatments that were terminated 21 days after plant had a lower population of foxtail and barnyard grass than those that were terminated 7 days before plant or at plant, regardless of rye seeding rate or the herbicide level. This year we're seeing some of the same patterns and differences based on giant ragweed populations. So we have a lot lower populations of giant ragweed in the treatments that were terminated 21 days after plant than those that were terminated at plant or 7 days before plant, regardless of seeding rate or herbicide level. So this is our broadcast mix study where we're evaluating 2 different methods of cover crop planting, either broadcast into a standing corn crop or drilled about a month later after harvest. We have 3 different species of cover crops: cereal rye, tillage radish, and oats, and we use both high rates and low rates in different ratios and mixtures. The goal of both of these studies is to evaluate the different factors and combinations of factors like planting method, species, termination method, herbicide levels, to see which factors or combination is most effective for the purposes of weed suppression.